doctor said I gotta lose some weight. I said, you ever had a chicken wing in your life? Nothing better than wings and girls. They make me feel like I'm on top of the world. But I'm all way down from this wing bling sling. Don't give me no napkins, cause that ain't my thing. Give me house sauce with the ranch on the side. I wear my shades 24 so it don't get in my eye. And before I go, I leave nothing but bones. I'm the king of wings, no one's gonna take my throne. Say it one time, girl,
and I'm coming for you.
say it 2 times, baby.
I mean mustard barbecue.
Say it 3 times, girl.
Lick the sauce off your face.
Say it 4 times, baby.
You know I love the taste.
Cause I got that chicken wing. 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 Toss 'em up, put 'em in my casket. Cause at this rate I got a really bad habit. We can eat 'em in bed, girl, cause I don't care. I'll put a plate on your back while I'm pulling your hair. You may be straight out of Compton, but I'm straight out the kitchen, making those bomb ass wings. And the finger licking was that lemon pepper that I taste on your chin. You got those wet naps in your purse, girl, where should I begin? Say it 1 time, girl,
And I'm coming for you.
say it 2 times, baby.
I mean mustard barbecue.
Say it 3 times, girl.
Lick the sauce off your face.
Say it 4 times, baby.
You know I love the taste.
Cause I got that chicken wing. 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 Go! I don't want that fake shaking, bacon. If I die before I wake, I pray the Lord that He can make. Plain chicken wing. Cause I got that 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 chicken wing. Dirty D 2016. Eat your wings. Songs goes out to Froggy Fresh, formerly known as Krispy Kreme. What are you doing in my studio?
So you think you can rap?
To be continued.